training how to climb this to get here. Not working out. Guys, stop it. One's got to try. And at the moment, it's Finley. Come on, Finley. Don't sit there. Come on, Finley, get up. Out. Get up. Frankie, come on. Go. Yes, good. Yes. Yes, good girl. Good girl. Good girl. She got it. Did I get that? Like, I hope I did. Okay. Here's a good girl. Now, let me. Sorry, my brother's just shouting. If you can hear him. See? Look, Reggie. Look, I put up. Can you get up there? Here, come on. Down here. Come on. Come on, Reggie. Come on. Come on, you can go get it. You can go get it. Come on. Go get it. Yes, good girl. Yes, come on. Come on, go get it. Get it. Come on, go. Come on, you can get up there.